Hi everyone! So last time we did our first boss battle, just something very basic. And if you remember in our boss battle, we had a switch turn on that was open door. Well, I went ahead and I already made this so you don't have to watch me make it. If you're curious what tile set I used to make this, it was the sewer tile set, but you can do whatever you like in your own game. So you go down these stairs and I will show you what it looks like. Let's go ahead and just move this. What am I doing? Cut. Put it here. Paste. So as you can see, we've got a door that we're going to need to open. So the door opening we did in here, I think it was when you beat him. We turned on, nope, I'm wrong. Yes, there it is. To open the door. So we're going to go ahead and go under here in our new map. And we're going to pick any door to put here. And we're going to copy event page, paste event page. And we're going to have it the condition for the switch on for opening the door. So that once that gets on, we can have this open, just like we did with our town tutorial a couple tutorials back. We're just going to quickly go over that again. So I'll go ahead and we'll do, you know what, actually, why don't we have this door open and we'll make it super cool. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch AutoRun. So I think this should work. So that when you walk down these steps, you're going to see this happen. Hopefully, maybe. Okay, so let's see. We're going to try it. We'll see what happens. So let's go to, wait, we were on the right page. Set move route. Good old set move route. And we need to make sure it's on this event and not the player, because the player, you don't want him turning into a door. And we're going to change the graphic. 73. That one. Ah. That one. And door 3. No. Door 4? Yes. Okay. Do you remember what we have to do in between all these? That's right. You gotta put in the weight. Otherwise it just like jumps over everything. So I don't remember what I did last time, but I'm going to say 10 seconds between, and I'm going to hope that that's correct. Copy, paste. So now we have our sandwiches of weights. Okay. Okay, I think that should be good. Hopefully, I think it will. We'll go to Control Cell Switch A. Page, door that's open, open door, player touch, switch is on. Okay, I'm not going to do our transfer player yet because I don't have another map to do that yet, so we'll just leave it for now. Okay, so we did add some extra steps in here that I'm going to show you now. We have the trigger set to parallel process because we found that we liked having our character be able to continue walking. When you have auto run, they stay right where they are. Then we threw in a wait command. So to do that, you just went to insert and wait. I chose 10 frames, which is about half a second. And then to play the sound effects door, which is on tab 2. SE, I chose a door sound so that it added to the realism of it making, you know, a door opening up. And we made sure that we could transfer to our next map, which I have already made. So you need to make a new area. I called mine Underground 2. And you're going to have them transfer there in your transfer player command.
And then you're going to make a character here, and I will meet you there. This is just a friendly reminder to remember to add transfer player events between maps so you can move between them, because I mostly won't be stopping to show this at this point anymore. So I assume you have a handle on it by now, and it must be pretty boring to watch. So do yourself a favor and go through and check that all of your maps have a transfer player between them so you can get from map to map